Have you ever wondered you could chat intelligently with a device or a computer and receive responses similar to those of a human being? Well, today is your lucky day because in this video we will talk about the trendiest and hottest artificial intelligence that's making waves on the internet. ChatGPT by OpenAI. If you are a newbie to ChatGPT and want to know how to start and get the most out of it, stay tuned. Let's kick things off by knowing how ChatGPT starts, shall we? We all know that artificial intelligence has become a part of our daily lives, from virtual assistants like Alexa to facial recognition to unlocking our phones. And now with the famous ChatGPT, you can also use AI to complete writing tasks. Isn't that amazing? But ChatGPT by OpenAI isn't just another text generator next door. It's an incredible tool that can help you correct mistakes and understand the intent of your queries. Whether you need to convert movie titles into emojis, fix bugs in a code, or simplify complex concepts, ChatGPT can help you with all that and even more. Every day we are discovering new ways to interact with ChatGPT. Some use it to ask silly questions like, what is something invisible you wish people could see? Or get some entertaining answers like, is Rihanna pregnant with her second child? While others use it to improve their writing skills or find and correct coding bugs. And then some wonder if ChatGPT could eventually replace programmers and writers altogether, and that's pretty scary. But you know what I find truly remarkable about ChatGPT is how accessible and user-friendly it is. Just imagine with just few clicks you can start a conversation with these AI chatbots which will respond to you in a natural and human-like way. It's like talking with a friend who always there to help you. The idea behind ChatGPT comes from OpenAI, a business created by Elon Musk and Altman. Yes, you heard it right, the same Elon Musk of Tesla. Going back, ChatGPT specializes in creating powerful AI applications that can understand human speech. Back in the day, the very first GPT chatbot was fed with tons from the text from the internet. This gave it the power to mimic human-like responses when given an instruction. But guess what? Thanks to ChatGPT, that technology has come a long way and has improved massively since then. ChatGPT is a conversational bot that lets you get straight to the point. It uses its training data to generate a response like what human might say in that context, whether you are asking a question or just inputting a prompt. And it's threatening the big companies already. Since the latest ChatGPT release, the CEO of Google has taken part in multiple meetings to address Google's AI strategy in light of the threat posed by ChatGPT. The company also brought Google co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin to address the issue. It was reported that Microsoft planned to use a ChatGPT to power its search engine Bing. And just January this year, Microsoft announced its intention to invest $10 billion in OpenAI in upcoming years, giving the tech giant 75% share of OpenAI profits until it recoups the investment, and then 49% stake going forward. And the great part about ChatGPT already, it has predicted 100 million active monthly users, already growing at an incredible rate, and there is no slowing down. And to give you an idea, Instagram took 2.5 years and TikTok 9 months to reach that level of popularity. And you know what's the best part? ChatGPT is entirely free to use. All you need is an account on OpenAI website, which you can create with your email address, Google account or Microsoft account. And if you need even more advanced features, you can opt for the ChatGPT Plus subscription plan for just $20 per month. So with this overwhelming success and effectiveness of ChatGPT, how can I start as a newbie, you may ask? To start with, it's effortless and very straightforward. Are you ready to get started with ChatGPT? Here's what you will need: an OpenAI account and a web browser. No need to download any apps just yet. ChatGPT works seamlessly on most popular browsers from Chrome to Edge. And if you are on the go, you can even use it on your phone's mobile browser. To start, open your web browser on your computer, smartphone, or tablet and go to chat.openai.com. Once there, you will see options to either log in and sign up. So let's sign up first. You can use email address, Google account, or a Microsoft account, all for free. Once you have signed up for OpenAI account, you must complete your account setup to use ChatGPT. First, enter your name and select continue. Next, you need to verify your phone number. Select your region, enter your phone number and select send code. To finish setting up your account, you only need to enter the code you have received on your phone. Now that you have an OpenAI account, you can start using ChatGPT. Type a prompt or question in a text box at the bottom of the screen and press the paper airplane icon to submit. ChatGPT will respond in real time and you can provide feedback with the thumbs up or down buttons. Select New Chat in the top corner if you ever need to start a new conversation. It's also good to know that ChatGPT conversations are automatically saved to your OpenAI account, so you can access past discussions from the sidebar menu. Did you follow the steps? Let me know what was your first command with ChatGPT. Share it below in the comments section. And just a reminder, to clear your conversation list, select Clear Conversations toward the bottom of the menu. You might also encounter errors with the conversations with the ChatGPT, such as a network error message. This could be due to a problem with your network or ChatGPT servers. But don't worry, if you experience this, you can request another response from ChatGPT or reload the page. Overall, ChatGPT is a simple process requiring only an OpenAI account and a web browser. With these tools, you can start chatting with ChatGPT and save your conversations to your OpenAI account. But did you know there are different ways to use this powerful tool to earn money and improve productivity? Yes, you can start earning from it even if you are a newbie. It's easy peasy. Let me give you some ideas on making the most out of ChatGPT even if you are a complete newbie. First, as a content creator, I can use a ChatGPT to generate ideas and create content quickly and efficiently. Like this. If you simply type, "Can you write a blog post with this?" and then insert the title. Gone are the days when my mental block struck and I couldn't do nothing about it but just rest and recharge my creative juices. With the help of ChatGPT, I can save time and focus on creating high quality content that attracts readers and generates revenue. So whether you are looking for a blog post title, social media posts, or even entire articles, ChatGPT is the key. Another way how you can use a ChatGPT is to create chatbots that provide customer service and support 24/7. With ChatGPT's help, you can create chatbots that answer customer inquiries and provide support, saving time and money on customer service and increasing customer satisfaction. Similarly to a virtual assistant, ChatGPT can also help me to automate my tasks and save time. Whether I need to schedule appointments, respond to emails, or manage a social media account, ChatGPT can handle many tasks, allowing me to focus on a higher level tasks and provide more value to my clients. Another fantastic way to use ChatGPT is language translation. ChatGPT can be someone's translator in multiple languages, just a click away. With ChatGPT, I can quickly translate text from one language to another one, providing accurate translations compared to any sites, and it saves a lot of time. And this is a valuable service for the business that operates globally. In addition to content creation, I use a ChatGPT to optimize existing content for search engines. By inputting content into ChatGPT, I can receive suggestions for keywords, meta descriptions, and other optimization techniques that can help improve its search engine rankings. This service is excellent for businesses that want to improve their online visibility. Another one is social media management. It can be very time consuming. And yes, a ChatGPT can help automate many aspects. I can use a ChatGPT to schedule social media posts, respond to comments, and analyze social media data. And if you are a business owner who wants to start, ChatGPT can also be used for market research by analyzing customer feedback and trends. By inputting customer feedback into ChatGPT, I can receive insight into customer preferences, pain points, and more. By analyzing customer data, ChatGPT can provide personalized recommendations for customers. For example, an e-commerce business can use a ChatGPT to recommend products to the customers based on their browsing and purchase history. This improves customer engagement and increases sales. And imagine it's all for free. Finally, ChatGPT can be a writing assistant. It's beneficial even if you are a student, writer, teacher, or just simply want to improve your writing. This amazing tool can provide suggestions for grammar, syntax, and tone. How cool is that? But wait, more features of ChatGPT will make you to love it and learn from it even more. One of the most amazing features of a ChatGPT is that it can answer questions and provide answers. You can ask it about almost anything under the sun, from simple facts to complex concepts, and it will do its best to provide a helpful response. Or if you need someone to talk to, ChatGPT can be your best friend. You might be looking for a versatile language model that can assist you with your math problems or writing tasks. Look no further than ChatGPT. Whether you need help with the tricky equations or want to craft an academic paper, a creative story, or a Hollywood-worthy script, ChatGPT has got you covered. With impressive linguistic abilities and vast knowledge, this AI-powered tool is ready to help you unlock your full potential. So why not try it out and see what excellent results you can achieve? With its advanced coding capabilities, this language model can help you debug your code blocks quickly, freeing you to focus on the fun stuff. So why not spin it and see what kind of coding magic it can help you with? ChatGPT can be a game-changing tool for everyone. But let's remember that AI has its own pros and cons, and it's essential to balance technology and human input. There are endless possibilities when it comes to using ChatGPT as a newbie. Sure, some people might worry about the job loss, but the truth is that AI can bring new opportunities and innovations to industries. Of course, there are challenges like tech support and privacy concerns. But if used wisely, ChatGPT can boost customer satisfaction, generate targeted content, and help business understand their audience better than ever before. This technology is constantly evolving and improving to provide even more refined content. Plus, it will be able to recognize offensive material and guide you towards more inclusive language. So while there are always risks to new technology, people that embrace AI and use it creatively will be ahead of the game. And now that you know how to use a ChatGPT, aren't you excited to be a part of that revolution? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.